Welcome to the first episode of the Jelly and Cha-Cha Show! Today we're going to be doing a fun card thingy and Mommy will be doing it.
No,
It's called sound effects.
What are you gonna do?
So Zaza's going to put a card on her head and I have to read what it is and
Not out loud, right?
because I have to do it. Say the sound effects and because I don't know how to read. And then
All right, let's get started. Said that. Now we're just gonna go play the game now. So, who's gonna go first guessing, and who's gonna go first making the sound?
First guessing.
Okay, Ellie. So you have to turn around and you have to make the sound effect of whatever is on Zaza's head.
Okay.
Okay?
Look at
Which everyone can see.
Go.
No, not yet. Zaza, you have to guess. And go.
Go.
No, Zaza, you have to guess. Her sound effect. Go.
Go.
What does that sound like? Zaza, you're not doing it yet.
Go. What?
And no, you can't make any gestures or movements. Just sound.
Go. Water.
But what?
What water?
Speak up.
What are you doing?
What is that sound effect of?
Go. Drinking water.
Yay! Good job, baby! Okay,
My turn.
okay, go. No, you can't use your fingers. You're just gonna make noise with your mouth.
Music. Really close.
What?
Really close. Singing. Really close.
Oh, I forgot to start the timer. Okay, go.
Singing. Wait, is it something? Like, is
Ellie,
it,
look at the
like,
camera so
can
they
I
see
give
what
her
word
hint?
it is.
Is it like you like when you're like
You wanna give her a
humming?
clue?
Humming?
Okay.
Okay, so you're like, that was the class that you went to. I went to piano class.
Ding, ding, ding!
It is that. I
Yay!
thought it was dancing or something. Okay, now
Okay, next. Are you ready? Okay, look at the camera so everyone sees your words.
Okay. Baby? Yeah. Okay, that was really easy. My turn.
Okay.
Weenu. Ambulance. No.
And a what, Zaza?
Police. No. Close. Firefighter. Well, really close. Paramedics? No, like.
No, you were really close
when
with the firefighters.
Yeah.
What do they drive in?
Fire truck.
Yeah. Good job.
Ow! Oh, that didn't hurt. Wow!
Okay, look at the camera. Okay.
Bump. I don't know what that is. Wait, is it bump. Now close this time. Bump. Is it giant? No! We're close. Bump. Is it a
Don't kick the
tall
table.
person hitting the table? No. Bump. Poop? No. Bump. Wait, what's close to giant? It starts with F. Food. No. Again.
Okay, go.
Stairs. Step. Footstep. Yeah.
Good job. Okay, your turn, Ellie.
Zoom. Red car. Yes.
Wow, good job, guys.
No. She's young. Look, I made a crystal. Mommy,
don't-
But I don't know how to read. Look, I made a crystal, guys. Guys, look, I made a crystal. What is that? What is
Okay.
that thing?
Okay, Ellie.
La
I
la
told
la
Zaza
la
she can't read.
Look,
Okay.
guys, I made a crystal.
Okay, who wants to go first?
Okay, can I make hers first?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
It's on. Boom, 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 boom. Drums. Yeah.
Whoa! You're so smart.
Okay, Gaza.
Well, these are gonna be so easy. Okay, go.
Ding dong. Doorbell? Yeah. How's that funny? Thank you for watching the Jelly and Cha-Cha show.
Until next time.
I hope you subscribe to our video.
Say bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.